What's up, guys? So we got something else from Kahlenberg that showed up today. Pretty big box. I will tell you this, it is not a multi-chime horn. It is a single chime horn. So nothing like the T4 or the F3. And of course that's the T3 right there. But anyway, let's dig into this thing and see what we got. All right, guys, so I got the plastic wrap off. So let's see what is in here. Looks like they got foam. Pull this stuff out. So like I said, this is a 135 that I ordered. I do actually have a 165 that y'all have not seen. I'll show that to you here in just a minute. I got that expanding foam in here pretty good. Starting to be able to see it. Oh yeah. Get a good look at it. So they got a tag on the top. So that's actually new. So their newer design is a little different. There she is. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna pull it on out of the box and get a better look at it. All right, guys, so here it is on the stand. This is the 135. Of course, this is a Kahlenberg horn. And then, of course, it came with the paperwork. But this is what a 135 looks like. So it's actually a pretty big horn. You know, as you know, I have I have an 85, a 110, and then I do have a 165 that I will show you here in just a second because y'all have not seen that. And then I've got a 250, so I still need a 200. May just grab one from Kahlenberg. Really would like to find one with a bronze head. I did want one of my KM horns in the collection to be a Kahlenberg model. Just so I can show the different variants and different progression of the KM series through its lifespan. But I would like to have all my others with the bronze head. So anyway, that is the 85 right there. And then we've got the 110 right here, both bronze. Then this is actually a 110 also. It's a bronze head. And then there's the 165. Y'all have not seen it. That is a 165, and then there's a 250 that's over here. I'll just go ahead and show it to you since we're doing this. Sorry, my camera's jiggling. So there's a 250, and then actually I have another 250 right there. So that is it. So anyway, guys, y'all be looking for a video on this horn. I know that the time in between my unbox videos and me actually getting a video made is a little bit long. I just got a lot going on and a lot of horns to mess with. So anyway, I appreciate it, guys. We'll see y'all on the next one.